everybody. It is Ruthie Rocks, and it is another day in paradise, April 27th. Happy Wine Day. It is Wednesday. And what do we have going on here? We have, Jimmy's coming too. Hold on, Jimmy. Hang on. What a show today. Okay. Jimmy, where are you, Jimmy? I know you're in there. I hear you. I see you. I don't see you. Hey, Jimmy, I'm going to put you in the lobby till I'm done. Okay? I'm hiding.
Okay, good.
Okay, so I hear a lot of agents saying, oh, we're in trouble. The interest rates are rising. We have no inventory. Well, we do have inventory, or we couldn't sell anything. I keep telling you all that, so you change your message. Just say, if you want to sell your home now, while before the interest rates go higher and we get less buyers, that should be your story, so that you can get listings. Plan, farm, database. That should be your trifecta there, and that's what you need to be doing, so that we continue to get more listings. People have more equity as the prices increase, and I keep telling everybody, nothing lasts forever. And we're selling 120 homes a day this month, this month, and year to date we're doing 122 sales a day. That's tremendous. Now, a lot of those sales are $1 million homes. More than ever, we are selling $1 million homes. We're selling 5 a day, and they're $1 million plus. I think something just closed in the Ridges for 10 or 11 million. These are incredible numbers that we haven't seen in ages, or ever, actually. So take advantage of the time you have now, because believe me, nothing lasts forever.